going to learn a poem, A Time to Believe. This poem is an inspirational poem which tells us that we can achieve all our hopes and dreams providing we believe in ourselves and have a positive outlook towards life. This poem is written by R.B. Moffatt. A Time to Believe. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky, and the wisdom of the man in the moon. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. To believe is to find the strength and courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. To believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift and this is our time to cherish it. To believe is to know the wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen and all our hopes and dreams are within reach if only we believe. In this poem, the poet wants to say that to believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. It means to trust that miracles do happen and dreams do come true. To believe is to see angels dancing among the clouds. It is to know the beauty of magic of the sky and the quality of a sky filled with stars and accept the wisdom of the man in the moon. Stardust means having a magical quality. To believe is to know the value of someone who nurtures us, who takes care of us and looks after us. It is to recognize the innocence in a child's eyes and to acknowledge the beauty of a person who is growing old. It is through the teachings of these old people that we learn to love. Nurturing means providing nourishment, care and protection. Aging means growing old. To believe means to know and find the strength and courage that is within us, all especially when it is time to get over a shock or disaster and return to normal once again. Pick up the pieces means return to normal after a shock or disaster. To believe means to know that we are never alone and that life is a gift that we must value and protect. Cherish means hold something as very dear of a great value. Finally, the poet says that to believe means to know the wonderful surprises and just waiting to happen and that all our hopes and dreams are within reach. All we must do is have a positive approach to life and believe in ourselves.